everyone, welcome or welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, as you can see background behind me, so today I came here in this park. So today I thought I should make video about this topic, which is like we have a fear of judgment always when we go somewhere and when do something new in especially our life. So it can be any skills and it could be anything. So that's why guys I want to talk about this, because as you can see right now I'm in this park. So many people are uh, around me, so that is why I want to talk about this topic, because many people have many people has this fear. If people judge me, if I do something new in my life, and if I do something here and there, which work we want to do usually. So that's why we have always fear. Maybe people judge me if I do any mistake. So I want to talk especially in about English language, because we have a fear of judgment. So that is why guys, people, so many people are around me, like they are looking at me is right now, but I just focus on my video because of, if we have a burning desire to do something in our life, so we can do anything, because people are always judge you. It could be any field. Usually whenever I go somewhere, so that time I mm, sometimes I make my blog, and sometimes I do some activities like in English. But uh, the purpose of making this video right now, so many people are looking at me, but I just focus on myself, and I have my own phone stand. So I just uh, keep my phone there and just start my making video. So as you can see, we can do anything. So we should not always feel as scared of people, because people are always judge you. So you should focus on yourself, because we have always this type of thinking, like चार लोग क्या कहेंगे अगर मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा. So that is why we should not focus on other, because they are busy in their life. You should focus on yourself, because it could be any goals, and it could be anything which work you want to start in your life. So you just need to focus on yourself. And if people are looking at you, and if people are judge you, so you don't need to look here and there. You just need to focus on yourself. So that is why guys, right now I have that much confidence where I can speak my thought in front of people, and I have a this much confidence where if people are looking at me, so I just ignore them and just focus on myself. So it's depend on you. If you are scared always from people like who are looking at you, so you can't do anything in your life. So you just need to focus on your life. And if you always scared to something start in your life, and you might feel always people can judge me in English, like we have a fear always, like we have a not enough knowledge in English. So that's why we always scared to speak front of other and front of if I talk about my personal experience. So whenever I make my video, so that time uh, usually I thought if I do any mistake here and there, so people may judge me. So I just make my video, and if people judge me, so I don't take it seriously, because if uh, if we lose our confidence, so we can't do anything. So that's why guys, I want to recommend you, and I want to say, especially if you have this type of feeling, like if people judge me, so what can I do. So right now people looking at me, so that's why I little bit nervous too, but I just focus on myself. So guys, that is my motto for making this video. So you should not scared for anything. You just need to focus on yourself. So that is why this is the purpose of making this video. So guys, that's all for today, and I'll come with a new topic. Till then, bye.